Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. I'm Abraham Tabat, and in this video today I will be showing you how to create a blog for an e-commerce website. So I'm working on this e-commerce website, aishaochua.com. It's a jewelry store. So I'm going to take you behind the scene and actually show you the process on how you create blogs and articles for an e-commerce website. It's not just about posting content online. You want to post content that are engaging and appealing to the target audience you seek to reach. And also you want to post content that help drive sales for the store. So let's jump in and let's get started. Alright, so first things first, when you're about creating a blog content for an e-commerce website, you need to do your research. And there are a lot of tools out there, but I'm just going to give you a very simple tool you can use. It's Google Keyword Planner. And what that does is, let's jump into Google Keyword Planner. This is Google Keyword Planner here. So I've logged into my account, and this is my ads account with Google Keyword Planner. You have to log into your ads account. So you just go to ads.google.com. You can see just right here. You don't have an ads account, you just need to create an ads account. It's not complex, it's just follow the process there. You create an ads account. So you need to do your research to know what your target audience actually searching online. So this is a jewelry store. You have to create content around jewelry, fashion, or everything related to the kind of audience the store are trying to target. For instance, I'm searching for a keyword like best jewelry for bride. I want to know if actually people are searching for this. That's why I open up the Google Keyword Planner. So I'm going to copy some keywords that I am seeing Google giving me suggestions. So you see, I typed in best jewelry for, and it's giving me ideas. It's giving me latest bridal jewelry designs 2019. You can create a blog on latest bridal jewelry designs for 2020 and drive traffic for that to your store. So I'm going to do this I'm going to copy some keywords I'm going to use. So right here, I'm going to copy best jewelry for bride, and I just open a notepad after I have best jewelry for bride here. Then I'm seeing also, if you scroll down, once you search a keyword and you type in and you scroll to the footer area, you will see other search related to best jewelry for bride. So I'm seeing another idea it's giving me here. So I'm seeing bridal jewelry set. I like this one. Go to copy keywords that are related to the store I'm trying to promote. So latest bridal jewelry designs. This is 2020, so I'm going to do 2020 bridal jewelry. Okay, I'm going to do that one also. Then if we go down, we can see let's see, bridal jewelry designs catalog, jewelry set for wedding. I like this one also. I don't have the whole day, so let's just work with these three. I copy and I paste on the notepad. What I need to do is I'll have to open my Google Keyword Planner and paste these keywords there. It's going to give me suggestions and give me ideas on what people are actually searching online. Once you log into your ads account and you're on this page, if you don't have an account, you can create an account. It's not a complex process. Just go to ads.google.com. You can see the URL up here and create an account. So once you log into your account, you should have access to tools. Come here, click tools and settings, and come down to Keyword Planner. So you want to create content that people are actually searching for, and that's why we're using the Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so once you log into your Google Keyword Planner, you should see something like this. So you remember the keywords we had created earlier. These keywords I had list. You can create more, but I'm just going to use this ones for now. I'll copy these keywords and I'll come to discover new keywords, and I'll paste those keywords there. First of all, I can't paste them that way. I have to separate them with commas. I'm pasting them there, so it actually separates, it actually separates the keywords once I paste them there. So I'm going to separate them with comma. Once I copy and I paste right here, I'll just paste it in here. You see, so once I paste, I can come down here and search for results. So once I search for results, it's going to give me ideas, and from here I'm trying to target the audience in Nigeria, because this e-commerce store is situated in Nigeria. Of course, they are expanding beyond Nigeria, but for now the target audience currently are Nigerians. So I'm going to target the location Nigeria. You can see location here. If you're targeting other locations, you can actually add locations. It gives you results for the locations you added, what people are searching in those locations. And then you see language, search network, basically Google. The search network should be Google. Then I'm trying to get results for I think the last month. or I can do last 12 months. It gives me result for the last 12 months, what people are searching online. But I'm going to do for the last month, results for what people are searching online for the last month. So I want very current results. If I scroll down here, the keywords, you can see it's giving me keyword ideas. It's telling me for bridal jewelry sets, we're having 100 to 10 to 100 searches every month, and the competition is medium. Let me reduce this screen so that you can get more information. So let me cancel this from here. So you can see here it's giving me information. So if we scroll down, it's going to give us more information about what people are searching in the industry. Other ideas is giving me artificial bridal jewelry sets, the price. You can see the search. So I'm actually getting good search volume right now. The search volume is very low for the keywords I've inputted here, but it's telling me bridal jewelry sets is having 10 to 100 people search for this every month. Okay, jewelry sets for weddings, people are searching for that. The competition is low, so you want to find keywords that have low competition and high search volume. It means a lot of people are searching for that content, and the competition from competitors is quite low. So we can create a content around bridal jewelry sets. Okay, so let's copy this one. We can do this because the competition is low and it has a search volume of 10 to 100 searches every single month. So let's copy this keyword, and that's what we're going to be creating our blog about. So let's jump into the website and let's start creating the blog. Okay, so from the website you need to go to the back end of the website. So if you're using a WordPress website, you should know how to go to the back end. Normally you just put a wp-admin and it takes you to the back end of your website. If you log into your back end of your website, you come to the dashboard here. You see post, because I'm trying to create a post, so I'll just click post, and I can come. If I had other posts, if I click post, it's going to show me all the posts I have on the website. So currently there are no blog content on the website. So what I'm going to do now is I will just come here to add new, and I will create add new. Right, so we had actually picked the keyword we were going to use to create this blog post, which is bridal jewelry set. So I'm going to name, let me just click this page builder. Once I click the page builder, it brings me here, and I can now paste the title. That's the title of the blog. The blog is going to be bridal jewelry sets, and I can scroll down and actually start writing my content. So this is the section where I actually write the content. So I don't have any content written yet, so I'm going to use dummy text. You should have taken time to write a very compelling and appealing content that will be targeted to the users you're trying, or the audience you're trying to reach. Let me just go dummy text generator. I'm just go for dummy text generator right here. So I should be able to just copy this text here, right here, just like this. Assume this is the text I've written about the bridal jewelry set, so I'll just paste it here, and you see, so it should have a title, which is the title I've written here. You can see it has generated. Once you click the title, it generates to generate a URL for you. You can see the URL was taken from the title, and because we're trying to rank this blog, we once people go on Google, for instance, let's pick this keyword and go and search. Let's find the website already ranking for these keywords. Since we saw that the competition is low, let's see our competitors already ranking for these keywords. Once we search that, I'm seeing the first website organically showing here, it's st.com. all right, so if we go down here, we're also seeing another website, affordable elegantbridal.com. If we go down, we're seeing voila.com, and these are your competitors. So you need to create a very appealing content that would actually outrank their content, because if you're not showing up on the first page on Google, if your business or your website is not showing on the first page on Google, when your audience or your target audience search for related contents that are related to the product you sell, you'll be losing a lot of business. So you want to create a lot of content around what your target audience are searching for, so that when they don't know your business is a new business. aishaochoa.com is a new website. So if you want to get new visitors random visitors online, you need to do keyword, you need to create your content and optimize them. You need to do SEO, which is search engine optimization. You want to create contents that are showing up on the Google search results that will attract the right target audience or prospective customers to your store. So I can see on ST the first result here is bridal jewelry set. So you can see the keyword research. The first result we pulled out here is bridal jewelry set. So if we open this content and we go and see, let's see what they actually created. For them to be ranking on the first page on Google, they must have done something right. So let's go and see what is on that page. Bridal jewelry set is just an e-commerce page. Literally, it's not really a blog content. They just took us to the e-commerce store, so you can see what they do. So it means you can also create a page and target all the jewelry sets you have. You could create a page and put all of them on the store like that, but let's just focus on creating a blog post for today. Let's jump in and continue writing our blog. So we have our title, and we also have our content right here. So I want to assume this is the content talking about jewelry sets. So you observe that they actually had in the blog they had products added. So we can also do the same thing by adding products. So if I do that, I can go to backend editor. For instance, I'm using WP Bakery as my content editor. So if I go to the back end, you see here I can edit this content I put here. So if I click edit, let's say this is a content I've written about bridal jewelry sets, then I could just maybe give it, most times when you're writing your title, you should make sure bridal jewelry sets, so you can give it a heading. So let's say bridal jewelry sets 20, or at this point I can maybe put trending bridal jewelry set, and I can make this a header 2. It tells, okay, header 1 is the first header we use, so we can't use header 1 here. I'm using header 2, so this should be the content following header 2, and I can come down here and actually break the paragraphs. Don't make long paragraphs, okay, make very short paragraphs and break them. So in between the paragraphs you can also have bullets and all that. So let's just assume this is fine. So I want to highlight the text and I want to justify the text. It makes the text more organized. So once I justify, everything is should be fine. I can now save changes. So if I want to add products, I can also add products on these blog posts. So down here, before the product starts showing, I can just probably put something like let's say I can just scroll down like this, down here like this. I could just say, check out our amazing bridal jewelry sets below, and click save changes. I can make this I can bolden that. I can maybe make that also a header 3. Okay, since I have header 2 already, I can make that heading a header 3, and that should bolden it. Okay, so we're good. So I can save. So you can see here, so at this point I can come down here and add products. So let's just search products from here. Since I'm using WP Bakery as my content editor, my text editor, I can come here, so it allows me to pull up different features on the site. So now I want to search for products, and I can see products here, product, single product. I can put featured products. I can put recent products, multiple products. I can use these products here, show multiple products by ID or school. So let me just click multiple products, and column, I can do 4 columns, and come down here and actually search the product I want to add. I can search set. Since it's related to bridal sets, I can put, okay, this one. I can put another one, set, type set, and maybe pick this other one, and I can do that set. Okay, and I can do let's say this one, and the last one I can do set, and pick this one. So just type the keyword. If you know the product you are talking about, if it's a bridal, like this content is bridal jewelry set, so you can find jewelry sets that brides could use and add them to the blog post you're writing, so you could even help sell. Once they land on that page, they see some products, and you can also link them to the store to see other products. So once I've done that, I'll just save changes and writing tags. Tags are like related phrases that your target audience are going to be searching, that's also related to the keyword you're using. Like the keyword we're using here, it's bridal jewelry set, so we can find tags that are also related to this jewelry set. Like that. I can also do jewelry set for bride, jewelry set for bride. Alright, so just put related keywords there, and right here you want to also pick format. Is a standard blog post I'm using, so I'm using the format standard. You come down here, category. You need to categorize your blog content. Okay, so you want to have blog contents that you could have blog content that are related to jewelry, fashion. You could have jewelry and blog content that are just related to news. So I want to relate this one. This one is on I can put this one jewelry, so I can add a new content category, jewelry. So I'm going to add that category. So I've added the category. If you're creating a blog content or creating a content that is on generally an issue on fashion, you could categorize that content under fashion. If you're creating just a general news, or you could just try to categorize your blog, just like walking into a library and you have different sections in the library for let's say psychology books, law books, books on economics. So you're just trying to allow the user coming to your site to be able to pick the content he's looking for and see related contents that have been grouped in that section. So that's what you do. You need a category for. So I added a plugin. It's called SEO By Use. It allows you to do SEO, which is search engine optimization. It allows you to create content that will be found on the Google search engine, and it gives you results. It tells you what you have done, if you have done something wrong. So for instance, because I installed this, it's telling us to put a keyword, and the keyword we're trying to rank for is bridal jewelry set. So we're going to put that here, bridal jewelry set. Because I put that, you see SEO has gone yellow, and I'm having this yellow check up there. And once I go down, it has a rating system. If I click this SEO analysis, it has a rating system that tells you what you have done right and what you have done wrong. So if I scroll down and I come down here, you see it tells me no add-on link, no keyword in the phrase, no so it tells me what I've already done right, like internal links, key phrase length, good, great job, that's the key phrase length is okay. And so you can use this keyword analysis to see what you're doing right. Add-on links means that you're linking to a different website. Okay, so linking to a different website can be even linking to an Instagram page. So let's say, what's our Instagram page? Let me check our Instagram page. Instagram Aisha Jewelry, that's our Instagram page. So I can just copy this link like this. Once I copy this link, for instance, I can come to the blog and go to where the content in the blog is, and then once I put this, you're going to see, let me show you. Once I add this add-on link and link into an external website, which is what is called add-on link, you see add-on link, no add-on link appears in this page, like I'm linking to a different website from my own website. So I'm going to link to an Instagram page. So I'll come here and edit this again, and I'll just find somewhere I can chip this in, maybe down here, and say check out our Instagram page. All right, so I can just say click here, and I can highlight this here. You've gone to website and see some links that are clickable. I'm going to make this click here a clickable link. So how do you do that? I'll put a link. So I'll come here and make this click here a link that links to the Instagram page. So I'll come here and click this insert or edit link button. You can see this link here. I'll click this link and I'll paste the Instagram and I'll click here apply. Okay, if I want to apply, I can apply, or I can make the link. Once they click it, it opens in a new tab. So I can click here, open in a new tab, and update. Once I do that and I save changes, and I come down, you see my page now has add-on link. Let's come down to our SEO analysis. You see add-on link has disappeared here because I've added add-on link. Something else is telling me now is that no meta description, no meta description length, no meta description has been specified. So if I come up here, this is the meta description. So you see, this is what it looks like when somebody searches your content on Google. It shows the title of the content you're writing, and it shows the description. This is what they're telling us, there's no description. So to create a description, I have to click edit snippet. You can see this edit snippet here. I click edit snippet and I come over here to where the snippet is. I can put something related to what I'm writing. So I can maybe say our text is our title is bridal jewelry set. Then I can just put something looking. I have to do that till this thing turns green. So I can just say looking for bridal jewelry sets for your wedding event. Don't mind me, I'm just writing anything. I'm just trying to be fast, so I'm writing anything. So I can just I'll just come and paste. I'll copy the dummy text again, guys. Let me just copy anything and just add to that. I don't have all the whole time, so I'll just copy that and then add here. So once I paste, you see it's more than the speculated, it's more than this the allotted characters I can use. So it's giving me yellow. So okay, now see, this is, once it's green, you're fine. So I can stop there. If I come down here now and search down here, you see it tells me that meta description has disappeared. Now there's no image on the page, so we can add featured image for this blog content. Make sure your blog content always has featured image. I'm going to show how it shows on the website. If you're looking for images that you have rights to use, you might want to use unsplash.com. It gives you images that have no copyrights on them. It gives you images that are free of copyright infringement. So I can come to unsplash.com. Most times I'm looking for images to use for my blog. I come to Unsplash. I can look for maybe jewelry, and let's just find jewelry like that. It gives me ideas. It might give me some pictures I can use. These are pictures that have been uploaded for free that you can use. You can see, and I can download any of these images and use on my website. Let's say this one, I want to use this one. I'll just click download, just like this, and it downloads the image. You see, the image has been downloaded on my PC. Very easy. So the image should be on my downloads. So I can just come here and copy. I want to use a keyword also on the image, so I'll copy this one, and that's what it means, alt text. If you check the analysis here, it says image alt text. Images on this page do not have alt attributes that reflect the topic of your text. You get? So now I need to come here where they say featured image. I need to add a featured image just like that, and come here to upload and upload the image we just downloaded. It can be any image you want to use that is related to the content you're creating. So once I come here, I need to find that image I just downloaded here. Let me go to my download folder. This is the image I just downloaded from Unsplash. You can see it's a large image, so I'll just rename the image before I use it. I'll rename it the keyword. So I've renamed it the keyword I'm ranking for. So everything, you need to add your keywords in the title, in the description. I'm going to show you that. So I'll just add this image. Once I upload the image, you see the image has uploaded. So once I've added the image, you can see right here it's telling me the title of the picture I added is bridal jewelry set, which is the keyword we're trying to rank for. In the alt text, I can also use they add the keyword there, but this time I'm going to just add trending bridal and add the keyword bridal jewelry set to make it different from the title. So once I do that, I can just come here and then set featured image. So once I do that, you see that alt attribute has changed color. Now it's not more showing red, you know. So I think that has been fixed. So you need to have your keyword in the featured image in the alt text. The keyword should be there. Your keyword should also be you can see the keyword should also be in your title of your article or your blog. Your keyword should also be in the URL. You can see the keyword here. The keyword should also be in the text itself, like here. The keyword should also be here. You can see trending bridal set inside here. It should also be in the content. Make sure the keyword is also in the content, somewhere in the content. Find a way to keep the keyword somewhere in the content. Don't put it just for the fact you're putting it. Put it where it connects to the text you're writing, because the search engines, the robots they have, the algorithms are the Google algorithms are very smart. So you cannot try to outsmart them. You need to put the keywords in a way it blends with the text you're writing or the content you're writing. So once I've added that, I can scroll down like this, and you see SEO is showing us green. When it shows you green, it tells you you've done a nice job. You've done most of the things that actually do to rank your content on Google. So, and you can see here all these things are green: outbound link, internal link, and key phrase length, key phrase density, key phrase in meta description length. Once you have all these green, the other ones that are showing red should be what you should be concerned about. Key phrase in introduction, this is showing red. It should be an issue. So I have to go to the introduction of what I was writing and put the key phrase there again. So I can just come here, click my text. Once I add that red should change again. So let me scroll up here, right here. When the text starts, I'm going to put that key phrase again right here and set. Okay, when I scroll down, if I scroll down like this and go back to the analysis, you see that red has been removed, but I don't have images in my content. That's why it's still this one image alt attribute. It's saying out of 9 images on this page, only one has an alt attribute that reflects the topic of your text. So you need more images that reflect the title or the keywords you're trying to rank for. That's what it means. So once you're done writing your article, you can just come up here. You can preview to see what you've done. It's fine before you publish. So this is what your article is going to look like. Bridal jewelry set like this. You can see, but it's not showing the image you just uploaded. And why? Because I've not published. So I can go back here. This is the image you uploaded here. You can see. So once I publish, the image will show. So let's publish our article and see what it looks like on a live website. So our article has been published. So if you look up here, it shows you this SEO button. You can see the used SEO button is showing green. It means we actually did our SEO right. Okay, so let's view our post, our live post that we just published, and see what it looks like. So now this is what our live post looks like. The image is there, then the title, bridal jewelry set, then you can see the subtitle I used, trending bridal jewelry set, and you can see the content. You can see and check out our amazing bridal jewelry set below. That single image I added and the first set of the other images I added, you can see them here, and you can see the social media buttons here to share. For the users that are on the website, they can actually share this content if they like it. They can share it on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and add other social media platforms for them to share this content. So basically, that's how you create blog content on the website. I know this was a long video. I'm sorry, it was a long video. I had to go into the whole details behind the scene to show you how this works. So hope this was helpful. I'm hoping you have more sales for your website and for your business. And bye.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.